Hey y'all, today I'm sharing a big $100 grocery haul filled with all of our staples for an easy and healthy week. I'm also sharing a few quick dinner ideas at the end that are great for a busy weeknight, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, y'all, here is our big haul for the week. We got in late last night. It's currently Monday after work. Let me show you everything we got. It is high protein. That's the main goal for Morgan and for myself is high protein meals, vegetables, a little bit of carbs, and all around goodness, okay? So flavor is important to us. Starting with our proteins. I did get a lot, but keep in mind this will cover both of us for lunch and for dinners for an entire week. So turkey meatballs, Italian style. These are really good. We've had them in the past. You can have 3 meatballs for 180 calories. So truly, might as well have 6 meatballs. You know what I'm saying? These are good, really easy to heat up in the oven, and they taste good left over too. So we're gonna have those with some marinara sauce. I got some turkey bacon for some salads. This is tilapia. We're gonna have that tonight with some salsa. Andouille sausage. This is really a staple. This is a chicken version. It's a staple in our house. We eat it all the time in lots of different dishes. So if you've been here, you already know. Lean ground turkey. I saw a skillet I want to make with like marinara, green beans, zucchini, and ground turkey. I think it's going to be delicious. So we'll have that at some point during this week. I got 3 packs of chicken tenders for Morgan's lunch, for my lunch, for dinner, and we'll probably freeze some. So I did grab 3 packs of the chicken tenders. Sparkling water, another staple. Moving on to vegetables. This big ol' romaine lettuce was honestly the cheapest one that you could buy. I didn't realize it was going to be so huge. I'm amazed. So go team on that one. I'll get that cut up and in my little veggie thing soon, but I'm going to have salads this week with dinner and also for some lunches. So I needed that. Also got this riced cauliflower savory herb. This is frozen. You just steam it in the bag in the microwave. Say it with me. Frozen vegetables are just as good as fresh. So if you want to buy frozen, you do you. If you want to buy canned, you do you. It's all the same. It's frozen, it's canned, it's everything at peak freshness. So you don't have to worry about that. If you like frozen vegetables, go for it, girl or boy, whoever. So riced cauliflower, 1 zucchini, 2 Roma tomatoes. These are for my salads. Some bananas for snacks and for Morgan's shakes. Chopped spinach. I buy the frozen one for smoothies. I think I'm going to have a lot of smoothies this week and I'm almost out, so I decided to just buy this frozen one. Usually I use leftover of the fresh and just throw it in the freezer so it doesn't go bad. But this is another great option for smoothies as well. Picked up some cheese sticks. This week we're doing double pepper. It's just like a pepper jack cheese. I love these and they're only 80 calories for 1 cheese stick and 5 grams of protein. More vegetables. We have carrots. I'm obsessed with like carrots in the can. I don't know. I had them at like daycare, literally daycare when I was like an infant, and I've been obsessed ever since. Don't ask me why. Also some cut green beans. This is another vegetable that Morgan will eat, so we like to stock up on those. Also, I picked up some new stuff for Morgan to try. The Real Good Foods enchiladas, 2 net carbs per serving, and then 20 grams of protein. Mini beef enchiladas, and you can see this is only 190 calories, 20 grams of protein. This would be like post-workout, snack, not a huge meal. And then these, also by that same brand, sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches, 22 grams of protein. These are 450 calories. So another like after work, or if he wants it for breakfast, but neither of us really eat breakfast all that often. For our carbs, I got our favorite steamed jasmine rice. This is microwavable. It comes with 3 pouches. We're obsessed. This Grain Trust also has a hibachi version of this, and it's delish, and they have it in brown rice. We find this at H-E-B, but I've seen it at Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, and Sprouts. Bonza pasta. We love this stuff. Kind of went through a phase where I wasn't feeling it, but we had it last week, and I loved it, so I got some more of the rotini. Let's move on to this. Black beans. Didn't mean to buy this massive can. So that was an oversight on my part. Oopsie. But that won't be too bad. I'm going to use it in salads and a couple other dishes. I'll throw it in somewhere. HEB medium salsa. This we're gonna have with our tilapia, probably gonna throw it on salads or have it with snack or something. Eggs, which probably should have been with the protein, but got some eggs. Never know when you're gonna need them. We love them on the weekends, and I might make some of those egg muffins this week. For dressings, we got this classic ranch by Bolthouse Farms, my favorite. And then to switch up my salads, I also got the salsa verde avocado. And I got the Bertolli fire roasted garlic marinara. Just a good marinara for us to have. Or a good sauce, sorry, for us to have. And then some milk for Morgan's shakes, protein shakes. So that is the overview. The total, so I did do grocery pickup, and I can't remember if it was free or not because I ordered it today, but my total plus some body wash was $100. Okay, I promise this video will get less chaotic as the days go on. I don't know where my tripod is. The lighting is kind of bad, and I'm just gonna hold my phone and film this really quick, but we are going to have tilapia tonight. So I picked up this, it's 1.5 pounds of tilapia. It cost us $10.73. Okay, I sprayed our pan right here with Pam, and I'm going to season the tilapia with the Paul Prudhomme Magic Blackened Redfish. This is so good, one of our favorite seasonings, and I'm going to cook it at 425 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Gonna add just a squirt of olive oil. Okay, so I sprayed it with just a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna go heavy on the seasoning. Again, I apologize for the lighting. Okay, so we like that extra season. Let's get that little piece down at the end. There we go. We're gonna throw this in for 125 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Here is the finished dinner. I'm serving my tilapia with a little bit of lemon wedges, that jasmine rice, some of this Silver Star salsa. Honestly, not the best. It's okay, but we need to use it up. So I'm gonna have that one. And then I have 23 grams of the salsa verde avocado yogurt dressing. So I'll plug that into my app. Tomatoes and romaine. I could do like black beans on here, but I honestly don't want to open the can right now. So super simple salad. I had some spinach in that smoothie, so feeling pretty good about it. And I am starved. All right, y'all, it's dinner time. Apologies if you can hear the dishwasher in the back. I did all of the dishes. That's Morgan's new wok. We need to unbox it. I got him for Christmas. Anyways, sorry if you can hear that in the background. I'm gonna make dinner. We are gonna have the Bonza chickpea pasta, the Bertolli fire roasted garlic marinara. I'm gonna add some spinach to the sauce while it simmers, and then you cook these turkey meatballs in the sauce. So you just dump them in there and let them simmer for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. Add the spinach probably in the last like 5-ish minutes, and then cook up the pasta separately. Add it all together at the end. It'll be super easy. I think I'm gonna serve mine with a Caesar salad, and that is super simple dinner tonight. So you can see 3 meatballs are 180 calories and 11 grams of protein. I'm probably gonna have like 4, so I'll do the math on that. All right, y'all, the pasta is done. Don't mind the edge. That chickpea pasta always does that, and I just drained it from the pot. Right after I drained the pasta, I threw in about half a bag of that frozen spinach. Then I dumped the sauce and meatballs on top and just mixed it up, and it looks amazing. So I'm just gonna let this cool down just a little bit while I make a side salad, and then we'll be ready to eat.
Simple pastas are one of our favorite meals. You can pack tons of vegetables in here and they're delicious left over, so it's perfect for a meal prep.
All right, y'all, we are cooking dinner. We have ground turkey. We are searing up. In this pot, we're going to cook these black beans. We're making taco bowls. We've got all of the taco seasonings. I'm also gonna saute up a green bell pepper for my taco bowl. We also have tomato, which I haven't gotten out yet, but cheese, a couple salsa options, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh, and we have corn.
Usually I take the easy route and just add a taco seasoning packet to whatever I'm cooking, but I was out on this day, so I just used the usual suspects: cumin, chili powder, garlic, and onion. And really one of my best tips for really flavorful taco meat, especially if you're using ground turkey, is to add taco sauce at the end instead of water to let it simmer in. Unfortunately, I was also out of that on this day, so apparently I did not pick that up in my Healthy Staples grocery haul, but honestly, they sell that Taco Bell brand taco sauce at like every store, and you should pick some up. It's so good, very calorie friendly. I'm a huge fan.
All right, y'all, taco bowl is done. We have some jasmine rice. I sliced up this green pepper and air fried it for about 8 minutes at 360, and it is perfection. Cooked up some frozen corn and black beans together, diced up a Roma tomato. We've got 100 grams of ground turkey. I think it's 120 grams of rice, salsa, and the salsa verde avocado dressing by Boathouse Farms. Holy smokes, I'm starved, so I'm gonna go enjoy this.